The economy of every nation rests on the thriving capacity of small and medium enterprises, most of which are market women, artisan groups, and transporters. In order to scale up this set of people, Agboluaje Kajola Foundation were in Ondo City, Ondo State, for empowerment of marketers. At this event, no fewer than 43 million naira was given to age groups as grant.
Dr. Bakare àti team ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí wọ́n máa ṣe òun ni wípé owó yìí, because you are going to testify to the fact that as I'm talking to you now, the sum of 43 million naira ó ti wọnú àwọn àkáǹtì yẹn. People will come out and testify to it.
Members of Agboluaje Kajola Foundation, led by its chairman, Engineer Kolade Adegbolubi, and its deputy, Asiwaju Olusegun Akintele, extend their megastructure to Ondo City.
Because that is where we should go back to. But see, I encourage our youth to say, there's something they're going to do. So those are some of the programs that we still have. And we are going to be appealing to government. We are going to be talking to them. That those little areas they need to go for me. Mama Lọ́jà wa, ẹ ṣé gan, ẹ kú àdúró tì wá. There's another testimony I want to give in Nigeria. When we brought the poles to this place, àwọn Mama Lọ́jà yẹn fún ọ̀nà ṣe ọdẹ fún àwọn poles. Àwọn òbí wa, wọ́n máa kó poles sílẹ̀ pé a fẹ́ ṣe iná fún wọn, wọ́n á lè máa jí pole yẹn lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kó jí pole yẹn ọ̀kan ní òògùn, ẹ jẹ́ ká pàtàkì yẹn. Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí igbákejì alága fún ẹnjìnìà Káyọ̀dé Adégbùlùgbé. MC, I want to call upon you to present the checks to the people.
It was a moment of jubilation as the dreams of these market women to have access to grants for their businesses became a reality.
Owó yẹn kì í ṣe ti ẹnjìnìà Adégbùlùgbé mọ́. Owó yẹn ò kì í ṣe ti Bákàrè mọ́. Owó yẹn ti di tiyín. Àkóso owó yẹn ọwọ́ yín ló wà. Wọ́n ní kẹ́sẹ̀ tó owó yẹn kò kí ṣe lóòn. Fún àwọn ará Ondo tá a fẹ́ pè yín dà rárá o. As long as tí àwọn ará ọjà ní Ondo bá ti ṣe dáadáa, ọdọọdún ni èlé máa dún orí ẹ̀. Nítorí pé ó máa fẹ̀ sí ni. Iṣẹ́ kan pé ilẹ̀ yìí kàn ní kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa fàdúrà ràn wá lọ́wọ́. That is good. Now, what is the next phase?
Addressing the participants, the Vice Chairman of Agboluaje Kajola Foundation, Asiwaju Olusegun Akintele, said the project in Ondo is $4 billion, that the foundation has spent over 500 million naira on soft grants to small-scale businesses across different states.
This is volume 4B. Volume 4B of this foundation's program, and since this foundation started, the foundation has spent over 500 million naira in empowerment.
Akintele used their venue to eulogize the late mother of engineer Kolade Alaja Falilat Agboluaje, on whose name the project was initiated.
Falilat Agboluaje of blessed memory. Yeah, engineer Káyọ̀dé Adégbùlùgbé. Nígbà tí màmá yìí wà ní ayé, gbogbo ayé ló fi sin àwọn èèyàn. Ní ìsọ eléwé ọmọ lóṣogbo, ìyá ẹ̀ ló kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan tá à ń pè ní liberalization of the sales of ewé ọmọ in Òṣogbo land. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ tàbí nínú ìsọ eléwé ọmọ láti kékeré ni wọ́n ti ń fojú sí i. Ṣùgbọ́n báwo làwọn náà ṣe máa jẹ àǹfààní káwọn náà máa ṣòwò yìí? Màmá ẹ̀ ló kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀, ìwọ wá gbà kó lára ìgbà yìí lọ tà tó bá dalẹ̀ kó wá ṣàkáǹtì bẹ́ẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run nínú ọjà tí màmá yẹn dá sílẹ̀ lénìí, a rí tó èèyàn 6 tó ti ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀bù sínú ọbẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń bí tí wọ́n ń kọ́ ilé wọ́n lè ṣòwò mèremère tó yẹ kí èèyàn bí ayé ṣe. Nígbà tí màmá yìí wá wà nílé ayé bó ṣe wá ṣe tó yìí, was she poor? She was never a poor woman till death. Ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ni wípé ká ṣoore fún èèyàn kò sọ wá dolòṣì. Òun náà ni ikọ̀ tí ẹnjìnà Káyọ̀dé Adégbùlùgbé tó gbé wọ̀.
He also declared that the organization is apolitical.
Nothing to do with politics. A kì í ṣe olóṣèlú o. A ò lérò ẹ̀ lánàá, a ò lérò ẹ̀ lénìí, a ò lérò ẹ̀ lọ́la.
The groups which benefited from the grant included Moferere Market Cooperative, Sabo Market Cooperative, Kenapep Cooperative, and Okada Riders Cooperative. Others are Patent Medicine Sellers Cooperative, Barbers Association, Caterers Association, and Youth and Women Group. They took turns to collect their checks, and all the leaders confirmed receipt of the money in their designated account.
$20 million.
Sabo Market, 5 million naira.
Oh, dear. And you want people?
Dr. Bakare, Alaga. Okada, Chatiri, at 3 million. Oh, yeah, Esoro, Eba, so quite 3. That's okay. Oh, yeah, Eba.
They are seeing our money. God bless you and replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. Amen.
Addressing the gathering, the chairman of Ondo Northeast LCDA, Honorable Sunday Bokomi Omidari, described the project as fantastic, pledging his readiness to work with the Agboluaje Kajola Foundation.
It's a very fantastic job. Fed up at the I think Nigi Ushaido Bere. When we got the information from the council, the information got to us late. Through this, my brother, he later came. Mwani, kilo shele. One install solar. That is a very good one. But we could have to support dada in some areas. Okay, no, side the by you understand? But we thank God today, a successful one. And what will surprise me most, for the program, I'm seeing a grant given to people to support their business with 20 million for Moferere markets, market women. I'm seeing 5 million, seeing 3 million, 2 million, this is a very big one. Speech I'm hearing in that speech that the money is for them to support their businesses. And not that maybe they are to refund it back with interest or anything, but you are giving it out to support their business. Wow. What is Ondo?
Oh, what is Ondo?
My little is just that today, I think we have some representatives from the palace that, from Abaye himself here on seat today. Because when someone is doing something like this, only representative to Abi, Ajokwa represent, all the Ondos, this is a very big one. Although Adema Funishe, my brother. But Oba Nikoti Baje. My people in Ondo, Kele ṣe dáadí àwọn yóò ṣe wín kò wá dáadáa tún lè ká padà wá ká ṣe yóò jẹ in their statement. Tábà mú oníyàbá mú ló bá jẹ́ 50,000 oníyìí tí 50,000 bá tọ́ sí ló gbà to support business. Ẹ fi dó mú owó nìdó la mú ràṣọ o. Ẹ fi dó la mú ràṣẹ ènì o. Is to support your business. The business yẹn débẹ̀ tí pọ̀ sí un. Ìgbà ẹ̀wọ̀ gan tó a tún lè support ọlùkàn yóò yẹ̀gbẹ́. Ẹ dà understand it? That's when you bóyá we ta epo tẹ́lẹ̀ bóyá half keg ìwé gbé. Bí ewo ti lè gbé full keg. Dú ètò dú èjèrè. Isaac wẹ́ láti wọ̀ ni yóò yí ẹ̀gbẹ́ àjọ. Èdè help mi náà. Dèmi náà ti ẹ̀ka ìdílé kára one keg. So dúró bá support ọ níní. Ṣọ́mọ̀ òfin wo ti expand ohun yìí Agboluaje ló ṣe kò ẹ́. Àbẹ́ṣẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
That kind of person ló ọ níní. Ó dà lè tún padà wá. Ló ka disturb Agboluaje. Òun náà tí a ní ìkáwọ́ ara ẹ̀. So I will Ìyálọ́jà, I trust you ma. Mo mọ̀ fi proper supervision ara. Anyone you are giving this money to today, that monitor wọn. Kì í ṣe business ẹ ṣe lọ, ẹ ṣàn fẹ́ gbà náwó ẹ. Just to guide you. Ọlọ́run dé àmúkò wá ṣe o. Dédé àwọn ọmọ wa di àsàn. There's something.
Earlier before the day, the foundation has installed 150 solar panels at the Moferi market to ensure illumination at night. Some of the market women like Mrs. Rashidat Alabi have this to say.
In fact, ká tó mọ kúrò lọ́jà àti wàá mọ́ kúrò bí nǹkan bí 8. Bọ̀ láti nǹkan bí 7 báyìí náà yẹn ti kù. Ó dẹ̀ mọ fún. Kó tó kú bó ṣe wá yìí, ó ń lọ bí 6 nídàjí. Tóra tó máa ń jí wá sínú ọjà láti wá já ọjà wa. Kó tó kú pé kíní, a lọ bí nǹkan bí 6 nídàjí. Kó tó kú, ó dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa. Tójò bá tiẹ̀ ti sú. Anytime tójò bá ti sú, kò bá ń jẹ́ pé nǹkan bí 5:30 lòjò yẹn ti sú tó kòkó ti kù. Ìgbà yẹn ló ti mọ̀ nírọ̀lẹ́. Ó dúró dáadáa tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ gidi gan-an.
Ẹ ṣé gan-an.
The Aloja of Ondo City, Chief Mrs. Oluwabokola Akiniyi, described the grant as unprecedented, stating that she would ensure judicious use of the funds. Chief Mrs. Akiniyi praised the donor. She spoke on the solar light at the market. Engineer Kayode Agboluaje is an indigent of Ondo, and this project is seen as an avenue to give back to his roots.
Lásìkò yìí títí da ọjọ́ kejì ní sọ́là yẹn máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ 7 to 7 tó bá ti tà báyìí ó ti da 7 àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì. Orúkọ mi ni Chief Mrs. Oluwabokola Akiniyi Ìyálọ́jà fún Ondo Kingdom ẹ̀ṣin.
Agboluaje Kajola Foundation today just expanded itself activity to Ondo Kingdom in Ondo State, and today no fewer than 500 people have benefited from over 23 million naira that was given by the foundation. And also we are going to the market where solar inverter were actually given to the market, and that has helped the marketers to be at the market, to stay in the market up to late in the night. And this is what today I will also say. Thank you from Ondo Town, that is my name.